My name is Kimoya Anil Shala. My school name is Srimati Lakshmibai Krishnaji Jadak Vidya Mandir, number 71, Jaraknagar, Kolhapur. I am in standard 4, division E. My mother name is Swapnali Shala. My father name is Anil Shala. My father is teacher. My mother is housewife. My grandfather name is Baidu Ishwar Shala. My grandfather is farmer. My grandmother name is Ambubai Baidu Shelar. My grandmother is farmer. My uncle name is Naneshwar Baidu Shela. My uncle is farmer. I love my family member. Thank you.
My name is Shreya. I am 10 years old. I live in Pasgaon. I am strong and healthy. I like eat simple food. My birthday is on 18th January. I like to go to school every day. Thank you.
My name is Anvi Abhishek Misa. My mother's name is Pallavi Abhishek Misa. My father's name is Abhishek Shivajirao Misa. My sister's name is Savi Abhishek Misa. My grandmother's name is Minakshi Shivajirao Misa. My grandfather's name is Shivajirao Narayan Misa. I am studying in 4th Division E. My school name is Srimati Lakshmibai Krishnaji Jarak Vidya Mandir. My teacher name is Saujyoti Ubai teacher. I live in Kolhapur city. I like drawing and study. Thank you.
My name is Swarali Dilip Kadam. I am 10 years old. My birthday date is 27 July 2015. My father's name is Dilip Balasakoram. My mother's name is Lata Dilip Kadam. My brother's name is Shaurya Dilip Kadam. I am studying in 4th standard division E. My school name is Srimati Lakshmibai Krishnaji Jarak Vidyalay Jaraknagar, Kolhapur. My teacher name is Miss Jyoti Ubai Madam. My favorite fruit is apple. My favorite animal is tiger. I have many hobbies like drawing and playing outdoor games, etc. Thank you.
My name is Arvi. I am 9 years old. I live in Kolhapur city. There are 4 members in my family. My father's name is Sandeep. My father works in Coforge company. My mother's name is Yogita. She is housewife. My brother's name is Aditya. He is study in 1st standard. My school name is Srimati Lakshmibai Krishnaji Jarak Vidya Mandir. I am studying 4th standard. My favorite subject is English. My class teacher name is Saujyoti Ubare teacher. My hobby is drawing. I like to eat apple. I am strong and healthy. My best friend is Swanandi. Thank you.
My name is Vedika Nandakumar Patil. My school name is Lakshmibai Krishnaji Jarak Vidya Mandir, Kolhapur. I am in standard 4, division E. My teacher's name is Jyoti Ubare ma'am. I am 10 years old. My father's name is Nandakumar Madhukar Patil. My mother's name is Pradnya Nandakumar Patil. My father's is teacher. My mother's is household. My brother's name is Vignesh Nandakumar Patil. My brother's school name is SM Loya High School. My brother's standard 9. My brother's division A. My grandmother name is Sonabai Madhukar Patil. My grandfather's name is Madhukar Dattatri Patil. My grandmother's is farmer. My grandmother's is farmer. Thank you.
My name is Aditi Pramod Patil. I am 10 years old. My father's name is Pramod Pandurang Patil. My mother's name is Pranita Pramod Patil. My brother's name is Pratik Pramod Patil. My uncle name is Pradeep Pandurang Patil. My auntie name is Rushali Pradeep Kumar Patil. My cousin name is Prithviraj Pradeep Kumar Patil. My cousin sister name is Ishwari Pradeep Kumar Patil. My grandfather name is Pandurang Mahadev Patil. My grandmother name is Pratibha Pandurang Patil. My school name is Srimati Lakshmibai Krishnaji Jarak Vidya Mandir. My favorite fruit is mango. My favorite dish is pani puri. My favorite color is pink.
My name is Abhinav Vachankar. My school name is SMT LK Jadak Vidya Mandir. I am studying in 4th class. There are 4 members live in my family. My father's name is Sagar Vachankar. He is working in ICICI Lombard. My mother's name is Aparna Basankar. She is working in Sai Sparsha Children Hospital. I have one sister. My sister name is Siddhi Bachankar. She is 9th class at Adarsha Prashala. My grandfather and grandmother live in the village. My hobby is drawing. I like to play football. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Sanjeevani Praveen Kumar Yadav. My sister name is Padmavati Yadav. My mother name is Amruta Yadav. My father name is Praveen Kumar Yadav. My grandmother name is Kanchan Yadav. My grandfather name is Baba Sahib Yadav. I am in standard 4th. My school name is Srimati Lakshmibai Krishnaji Jarak Vidya Mandir. My teacher name is Sau Jyoti Ubai. My favorite fruit is mango. I like to play cricket.
My name is Sanskar Maruti Babar. My father name is Maruti Shivaji Babar. My brother name is Swaraj Maruti Babar. My mother name is Jayasri Maruti Babar. I am 10 years old. My birth date is 4th October 2014. My school name is Srimati Lakshmibai Krishnaji Jarak Vidya Mandir. My teacher name is Jyoti Sandeep Ubai. My favorite color name is red. My favorite fruit is banana. My favorite cricketer name is Virat Kohli. Thank you.
Everybody, my name is Sandeep Prabhulkar. My father's name is Sandeep Manohar Prabhulkar. My mother's name is Varsha Sandeep Prabhulkar. My school name is SMT LK Jarak Vidyalay, Kolhapur. My class teacher name is Sau Jyoti Ubai Madam. I am 10 years old. My favorite indoor game is carom. My favorite outdoor game is cricket. My favorite cricketer is Surya Kumar Yadav.
Sriyan Sandeep Yadav. I am 9 years old. I like to play cricket. In my family there are 4 family members. My mother, father and sisters. My mother name is Asha. My father name is Sandeep. My sister name is Vaishnavi. My favorite person in my family is mother. She is a housewife. She She always take care of my family.